Our motto: sketch the resultant MMF wave for two pole three phase balance winding. First of all, make two pole three phase balance winding. That is two pole and three phase balance winding. Okay, that is stator and this is rotor. North pole and that is south pole, that is two pole machine. And current seat of uniform current density means uniformly distributed winding. Distributed winding. Okay, if this is A and that is A dash, okay, this is uniformly, that's why like this one, and this is represent like this one. It is clear? Now at 120 degree, what about B? This is B dot. If this is dot, this is also represent dot B. Okay, uniformly, that's why uniformly distribution represent like this one. That is, now this is cross. Okay, this is uniformly, that's why represent like this one. Okay, that is 120. After 120, that is C, that is dot dot, and this is also represent dot. Okay, that is C, and this representation is cross, and this is also uniformly, that's why represent like this one. Okay, phase spread, that is 60 degree. This is stator winding and that is rotor. Two pole three phase. This is two pole three phase balance winding, represent like this one. Okay, now three phase balance armature currents. Suppose that is Im cos omega t, same magnitude and frequency is same, but what about phase shift? Say phase shift is changing. And what about IC? IC is written as cos 120 plus omega t. Corresponding question, when phase A carries √3/2 Im current, Ia this equal to √3/2 Im, means it is Im cos omega t. Okay, cos omega t, it is written as cos 30 degree. What about omega? That is 30 degree. Ia. What about Ib at that time? This is written as cos 120 minus 30 cos 90, that is 0. And what about IC? Im cos 120 plus 30 degree. This is Im cos 150, that is minus Im √3/2. Okay, that is minus Im √3/2, means finally we got result. Ia this equal to √3/2 Im, Ib this equal to 0, and what about IC? IC this equal to minus Im √3/2. Okay, now how to draw MMF diagram? It is clear? That is balance, three phase balance winding. A, B, C, A, open like this one, open, corresponding to this one, A dash, that is cross C dot, and that is B dash, A, C dash, B, cross dot. So it's represent like this one, resultant MMF. Now, first of all, what about IB? IB is 0. It means no current, no magnetic flux, no magnetic flux direction. Okay? It means B and B dash both are represent like simply no polarity, no cross, no dot. What about, we know that if minus IM represent like this one, or you can say that plus IM like this one, we focus on C and C dash. C represent by dot cross. I see this be equal to minus root 3 by 2 into IM. Okay, you can also written as, if you can say written as root 3 by 2 IM, means what about polarity? Change, direction of current is change. If dot, this is cross, and so you can say that it is also change. This is dot. Okay, this representation IC is cross and IC dash is dot. Clear? IC, that is root 3 by 2 IM. IA, that is root 3 by 2 IM. IB, 0. Okay, this is also root 3 by 2 IM. This is also root 3 by 2 IM, and that is 0. Clear? Now draw. Root 3, this is cross, you know that cross means positive and dot means negative. Number of turn, let turn per phase, that is N. What about MMF correspond? This is uniform distributed winding, that's why in this region current increases corresponding to root 3 IM into N divided by 2 MMF, like this one. Increases cross, that's why it is positive. It is also represent like this one. Okay, what about polarity corresponding to this one? This polarity is nothing, so it is constant. After that, negate dot polarity, that's why negative, and this is also negative, and this is 0. Okay, now we are open finally corresponding to this one at neutral axis. Root 3 IM into N. Okay, this is root 3 IM into N, and this value root 3 by 2 IM into N, N, and this is root 3 by 2 into IM into N. Okay, peak MMF that is root 3 by 2 Im into n. Make it. This is MF, resultant MF diagram. At Ia this will equal to root 3 by 2 Im, and Ib this will equal to 0, and Ic this will equal to Im by 2 root 3.